My name is Kanya Park, and this is my co-op experience working in Germany. So, the company I work in is called She Architekten, and it's located in Hamburg, Germany. And these are the people I work with. The reason I got to work in Germany is because it's an internship scholarship, which is paid half by the German government and half by the internship program called IAESTE. So I would definitely recommend to anyone who want to experience working abroad in a different culture. During my time there, I worked in two projects, but this is the project I spend most of my time in. It's a competition of development of Bergedorfer city center. So it's development of an old city center, and there's like 5 companies in this competition, and we all proposed our design in the first phase. So it's a little bit of urban planning and a little bit touching into the building facades and building volumes arrangement. So one of the first stuff I did was to bring the site context in. So I took pictures of the site context and then put it in onto the scale for the elevation. And then we did many of these gray silhouettes designs you see here. So we did maybe like 20, and then we chose the one we feel would propose our idea concept design the most. And we also did the subdivision. So our concept was that this old structure was big structure, but this city center was an old town area. So we decided that we want to make the building more smaller scale. So we sectioned the building into smaller scale area. And as you can see below that, or we keep the old structure to make it the most sustainable, and then we put new timbers construction to create the new roof shape that would fit in better in the context of the old city. And I also went on the site visit with my colleagues, and we did some comparison between the old and the design we will be proposing. So this project is actually only like 20 minutes by car from where I work. My workplace was in the city center of Hamburg in Germany. This is also the design we proposed. So as you can see, it's not only the building that changed, but also the little bit of the urban area around that area, and also the landscape. So we cooperate with urban designers in another company, and also a little bit of interior designers. So just for you to get the picture of competitions in Germany, they do this mostly for big projects, and they would have a specific set of rules you have to do. So for example, this one is it's a mixed use building. So in each program or each purpose, they would have a specific number of color that you have to specify in your drawings for them to be able to check the programming and the area requirement. So I would say working in a German company is really structured. Like they have a set of specific details you have to get done. And this is our final design approach produced by the landscape company. So as you can see now, our two buildings in the middle, it's more blending with the rest of the city. And also the water is bring out from the main castle center to our building. So working in Germany has gave me a lot more experience than just working in the office, because I experience a lot of architectural design in my everyday life, not in only just Hamburg, but I travel to another city, like for example, Berlin, the capital, to visit many stuff. I would say overall it's a great experience. Some challenges are probably the language at work, because although I use English most of the time, there's still some parts that's in German. So for example, in meetings are mostly in German, so everyone could understand. and they would translate to me after. Or, for example, some phone calls would be in German, so it's useful that I knew a little bit of German to help get the work going. And also, all the documents are in German, so it needs a lot of time to translate everything, and especially those technical things. Yeah, that's my experience in Germany. Thank you.